Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a very fast explanation of use of CT calibration program. Starting, what you will have is a file like this, project exe file. You will open this file. CT images will be found in CT. So whatever CT you have, you just put it in here. Now those are the previous CT. Going back a little bit, back again into the project. What you will do is run this file, camera calibration.exe. Double click and it will open for you a CT image selection for the markers. You will choose the markers in the CT for this image. You will use Q and W key to move between images. Now we are standing on image 1. I will press W and the next image comes in the slide. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pressing W. If I want to go back, I press Q. So I have Q and W key to move between images. Okay, now I'm on marker 1. This is the first marker. Now here see the word choose object 1. Object 1. So I press 1. And I press this key and I press on it. Now it has stored actually the position of the first marker in the CT. I move on to the next slides until I find the second marker. Now I saying choose object 1. I press 2 on the keyboard, 2 or 3, 2, and we have the word 2 here. Now it's gonna choose this marker 2. I go press here on marker 2, and now it's stored. I go in the third one and I press the key 3, and now it's about to choose marker 3, and I go press on marker 3. Now I'm done. I can actually press escape. Just one more thing, if you want to reposition another marker, so let's say I chose marker 3 somewhere wrong, like maybe here, and I press the key and it goes wrong. I can actually press again here and just overwrite the old one. I'm done. I press escape. Now it writes here that I chosen marker 1, the first marker, the second marker is entered, and the third marker. It's the layer and the pixel. Where is it? Okay, that's just for feedback. Now it's gonna ask me to choose a camera. It's my cameras. Actually, when it opens up a window like this, you will choose the second one. If it's choosing USB, for example, in this case, you choose the other one. Always reverse. Always reverse. Okay? It replaces cameras. So if it opens like this, I choose this one. I press OK. It's gonna ask me now the distance between the probe tip and the closest marker on the probe. This should be like maybe 20 to 30 centimeters. I'll just put 33 centimeters. It's the distance between. There are two markers on the probe, one close to the tip and one far from the tip. The distance between the one close to the tip and the tip is the one I enter here. So it's probably 33. It's a small one, and press enter. Now give it some time. It's loading. Okay, it has opened. Now we have two cameras, camera 1 and camera 2, original 1 and original 2. Now actually I'm gonna choose in original 1. I'm gonna just down this one and reduce my illumination, my light a little bit, because that's a very high light. There we go. Now I'm gonna choose my first object. Let's say this is my first object, my first marker. It's on the human somewhere, and I press on it. It's saying choose object 1. So I choose object 1. I press on it. Just one click. And that's big bullshit. Stop. Yeah. That's object 1. I have no idea what just happened. Okay, that's object 1 moving with me. Now let's say I made a mistake. This is not object 1, this is object 2. Or let's just say it disappeared. It's no longer there. It disappears and it comes back. It's back online. It's object 1. Let's say I changed my mind. This is not object 1. This is object 1. I just click on it. And it is my object 1. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say lighting is different, and I can no longer detect object 1. It just shows somewhere else. I just go and click on it again. Voila, it comes again into object 1. Now probably I'll be having like 5 markers, 3 on the human and 2 on the probe. So let's say those are the 5 markers. Yeah. Those are the 5 marks. So I select 1 and it writes 1. I press the key 2 and select the 2. I press key 3 and select 3. Actually, because 3 looks very much in the color is the same, it's probably gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna just use a different color. It just comes and goes. I'm just gonna use this white one as 3. Now the problem is we're getting some reflections here. The reflection, just the white color just looks like this white one. So I'm gonna use the red one as white. It's 2. And I'm gonna point the camera a little bit down. I'm gonna now mark marker 4 as here, the white. Now I hope there is not much more white. I think this maybe this is the white that would cause a problem, but let's just press here white and let's see what happens. Yeah, that's working quite fine. Now if I say 5, now 4 or 5 I should be on the probe. Now as we see, when light intensity changes, objects disappear, because actually colors change in different lights, go darker or whiter, whatever. So I press here maybe. And that should be number 5. Now as we see, 5 is changing place. 6 has appeared in the wrong place because actually there is no probe and there is no other camera working the same with it. So 6 would be in any place. I hope you try this and it works for you. Thanks.